Hi, and welcome to another training tutorial with Mr. Pechmo. Today we're going to explore Google Hangouts and using Hangouts with teachers and with students. So the first thing I'm going to do is get onto my Google account. You'll notice I'm signed in. Let me zoom in first. I have discovered on some of my training tutorials, my screen resolution is too big and it's difficult to see. So I'm going to scroll in a little bit. Google Hangouts can be accessed in two main different ways, but using your Omnibox right next to your name. A lot of teachers call this the waffle, but the real name is called the Omnibox. So using your Omnibox, you can scroll down and get to your Hangouts app. From this page, you can access all of your old conversations, and you can start a new conversation or add a new contact. So right now, I'm going to hit that new contact, and I'm going to go to my friend Beth Sloat. She is the librarian assistant, and she is standing by to assist me with that. All Google Hangouts is this very simple chatting system. There's video call and phone call, but you have to have it costs money for the phone call part, and the video call is very interesting, but that one's a different tutorial. Right now, we're just going to use Hangouts, which is it's really a chatting feature. So, hey Beth, do you have a minute? If I can type again, that seems to be going around. So Beth, if she is prepared, she is going to. There we go. Sure. I'm going to say thanks. What was that great book you were talking about the other day? And it works just like Facebook Messenger, except for it's all built in through your Google app. The other great thing is it is on the sidebar. There you can see Beth is typing me back an answer with the three little dots. Works just like a text message. The great thing is you can access it while you're on your email page. I'll show you that in just a moment. The one that was on the library website. I can't remember. And so you can chat back and forth. Now I can put that on hold. I can also minimize it and maximize it again. Video call is right here, so I could always open up that video call, but again, that's going to be a time for a different tutorial. And here I can archive the conversation or delete it altogether. And if I find Beth offensive, I can block her. But we're not going to do that right now. Just going to get back into my conversation and see she's typing me back. Perfect. Now, the other way you can get into Google Hangouts is to actually be on your email. So I'm going to go on my Gmail, and I'm probably going to have some privacy issues, so I'm going to have to cover over my emails. But you can also see my Hangout conversations are right here on the side. And so while you're working in your email, you can click right on this conversation again with Beth, and I can continue it on. Has a much smaller box, so it's nice and out of your way. Let me zoom in again, so it's nice and readable. The Ambrose Deception. It's up for a Great Stoneface Award this year and takes place in Chicago, where I grew up. Awesome. Who's the author? Now, we can use this with students as well, and this is going to come in really handy in this next several weeks. In other districts, that feature will probably not be blocked, and you'll be able to chat with a student just like I'm chatting with my teacher friend here. So there you go. There's another tutorial, and I hope this works. I hope this helps you out, and it is a great feature for chatting back and forth. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you next